What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Janelle, and I am finally back with another video. And as you can see, I look a little bit different. My hair looks a little bit different. And no, I didn't dye my hair again. Not yet. We ain't there yet. But I'm gonna get into the details of that in a second. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you may have seen my last post where I was just kind of venting about how much I miss how my hair used to be. My hair used to be a lot longer. I was experimenting with different colors. I went ginger, I went red, I went blonde. And I was just venting about how much I missed that and how much I'm struggling with styling my hair at this length. I just like longer hair on me. But anyways, I was venting about that and also venting about how much I miss the colors. I miss the colors. I love my black hair, but like, I love colors. So as I am, reach out to me at the perfect time to try out their curl color. It is a hair wax, a temporary hair wax dye. So if you guys have never heard of hair wax, it's basically a way to color your hair without actually bleaching or dyeing your hair. You just put the wax in and you can wash it right out whenever you're done. So I was super excited. I decided to try their hot red color. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it along with their Jamaican black castor oil products. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video about beauty, whether it's hair, fashion, makeup, vlogs, all that fun stuff. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe. Now let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna start off by co-washing, and I'm using the Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash. This co-wash has Jamaican Black Castor Oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and ceramide. So I'm not a big co-washer. If you guys didn't know, I don't really co-wash anymore. I had the option to shampoo, but I decided to co-wash just to see what my hair would feel like afterwards. And actually, guys, I really like the way my hair felt after using this. I'm not gonna lie. My hair did feel a bit cleaner. It left my hair feeling moisturized. It's super easy to detangle with. It has a lot of slip, and there are a lot of great properties in Jamaican black castor oil. I wouldn't necessarily put the raw oil on my hair. Y'all know we don't do that anymore over here, but as an ingredient, I do really like it. So I'm just applying the co-wash all over on my scalp, everywhere, and then I'm detangling using this brush that I forget the name of this brush. I just started using it recently and I kind of like it. So yeah, co-washing is something that I'm definitely gonna consider in between wash days. Because I do go to the gym a lot, and sometimes my hair needs to be refreshed, but it's not necessarily dirty. So I don't have to do like a full wash, but I think in those times a co-wash would come in handy. I'll never replace my shampoo with co-washing though. Okay, so this is my hair after washing out the co-wash. It's looking and feeling really, really nice. So I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is spraying my hair down with this Jamaican black castor oil water. So I'm gonna spray this all over my hair, just making sure to get it all in there. And just so you guys know, I am following the instructions provided by As I Am on the curl color tub. So the instructions are to shampoo or co-wash, spray with the JBCO water liberally, and then apply the leave-in, which you guys will see me do next. And here I am applying a generous amount of the JBCO leave-in conditioner and making sure to get that all over. And then once I've covered my hair entirely with the leave-in conditioner, I'm just gonna braid or twist. I'm just gonna twist my hair up and let it dry for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, and let it stretch out a bit, and then we're gonna move on to styling. So after letting my hair dry and kind of stretch out a bit, now comes the fun part. So using the hot red curl color, like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna start styling my hair, and we're doing flat twists with rods at the ends today. So yeah, I think I've done this style on my channel a few times. So if you want a, more in-depth video, you can go check out my previous videos. But right now, the most important thing is the color. So I section my hair off with a flat twist and just detangle it a little bit more, and then apply the curl color with a pair of gloves, because y'all, this stuff gets messy. Okay, so you definitely want to have some gloves on deck. You also might want to put on like an old t-shirt, like, oh, I don't know, maybe your ex-boyfriend's old t-shirt. That may or may not be what I'm wearing here, but yeah, just wear a black shirt that you don't really care about because it might get a little messy. So I try to apply a generous amount because I want to cover everything, okay? I want this red popping. So I may have used a little too much in certain sections, but it's all good, okay? It's all good. Probably why I took my hair so dang long to dry. So yeah, maybe go a little easy on the color wax because I went ham, okay? But it was kind of a last minute decision to add the rods to my hair. So usually I would do this, you know, each twist at a time. But at the last minute, I decided, okay, we're gonna do some rod sets at the end because I want this to be nice and big and fluffy. So I sat under a dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then I just let my hair air dry for the rest of the day because I wasn't sure if it was completely dry and I don't want to take no chances and I wasn't going anywhere. So I let this sit overnight and pulled it out the next day. So here we are the next day and I'm ready to take this down and see how this goes. And if you notice, I'm pulling these down with gloves again, just because I wasn't sure if it was still gonna transfer even though it's dry. And I just got my nails done, girl. I was not trying to, you know, get my nails stained. And right about here, I was a little worried. I wasn't sure how this flat twist out was gonna look. I knew my hair color was gonna be popping, but I didn't know what this style was gonna look like. But it came out really good. And this is my hair after I've taken down the flat twist completely. I am loving the curls that I got here. I'm loving this volume. I'm loving this color. I'm loving the way my hair feels. Even though I have gloves on, I can still get a feel for, you know, how it is. And it's just feeling really soft and really nice and moisturized and it's just feeling really good. The last time I tried color wax, my hair felt kind of dry using it. But with this one, I don't feel that at all. Like my hair feels really nice. So I decided to put my hair up in this little style and I think this is so cute, you guys. What do you think? I thought this came out so nice. I went outside and I got so many compliments on my hair. I'm loving this red and I'm probably gonna dye my hair red for real again because it just looks so good. I just love this color on me and I love this. So if you guys like this as much as I do, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up because it really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you to As I Am for sponsoring today's video. You can check out the products in the links in the description box below, of course. And don't forget to follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSupplierXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.